Hello again, class. How is everyone doing today? My name is Mr. Tanner, and I'm so excited to be here with all of you. Today, we are going to have a lot of fun and learn about some really interesting stuff. We are going to start a program called Too Good. In this program, we're going to learn how to make healthy choices and build healthy friendships. Well, hello! Excuse me, boys and girls. We seem to have an unexpected visitor today. This is my friend Wagner. Wagner's family just moved here from out of town. Wagner, why don't you tell us all a little bit about yourself?
Well, hi everybody. It's nice to meet you. I like to wag my tail. That's why my name is Wagner. Before we moved, I was in school to learn how to make good choices, to make friends, and to be healthy. Can you help me find a class like that here?
Class, would you mind if Wagner joins us for this lesson? Awesome. Well, Wagner, why don't you have a seat and we'll get started? Okay, boys and girls, you will each have a workbook to use. You can leave it in the classroom until we finish the program, and then you can take it home. Teachers and parents, please pause the video here and take a moment to distribute the workbooks to your students or children. After you have distributed the workbooks, along with a pencil and writing utensil, hit play to continue the video. Alright, class, today we are going to talk about setting and reaching goals. Raise your hand if you know what a goal is. Good. A goal is just something that you want to do or achieve. Now, raise your hand if you have ever worked really hard to achieve a goal. Awesome. We set and reach goals all the time, and there are steps that we can take to help us reach our goals. Now, I would like for all of you to open your workbooks to page 2. Is everybody on page 2? Good. All right. We will learn each step as we follow the paths in the maze to the pictures of Wagner. Look at the boxes at the top of the maze. Each box contains a step to reaching a goal, but each step is missing a word. To help you figure out what word is missing, follow the path in each box to a picture of Wagner. Let's start with step 1. Everyone, put your pencil on the path at the bottom of the box and follow it until you reach the picture of Wagner. Don't make any turns, stay on the path. Okay, class, what is Wagner saying in this picture? That's correct. I will learn to catch a frisbee. So, learning to catch a frisbee is the goal that Wagner wants to reach. What word do you think is missing from the first step to reaching that goal? Those are all great answers. It could be say, it could be tell, or explain. You have to be able to name what your goal is if you want to reach it. So go ahead and write the word name in the box on step 1. Okay, everyone, let's go to step 2. Put your pencil on the path at the bottom of the box and follow it to Wagner's picture. So, what do you think Wagner is doing in this picture? Very good, those are great answers. Wagner is picturing in his mind what reaching his goal will look like. Picturing yourself reaching your goals helps you to believe that you can do it. So the second step to reaching a goal is to picture it. Write down picture in the box on step 2 and don't worry about the spelling. Okay, now go to step 3 and follow the path again. Now, what do you think Wagner is saying in this picture? Awesome. Yeah, you guys are so smart. Wagner is saying, I can reach my goal. So the third step to reaching your goal is to say, I can. Because you want to cheer yourself on and believe that you can do it. So go ahead and write down the word can in the box on step 3. Okay, class, you guys are doing so well. Let's keep going. Now follow the path from step 4. What is Wagner thinking in this picture? Right, he's thinking about how to reach his goal. Thinking. So what word do you think is missing from the 4th step? That's correct. The word is think. Wagner is thinking about how he will have to get a frisbee, and then he will need help from his human, and then he will need to practice. So you can all write think in the box on step 4. Alright, boys and girls. Now, let's all go to step 5. And then follow the path just like we did. What is Wagner saying in this picture? Yeah, that's right. He's saying it's time to go for it. So the 5th step is go for it. Now write the word go in the box in step 5. Okay, everybody, we finally made it to the last step. Follow the path from step 6. What do you think Wagner is doing in this picture? Great answers. Yeah, Wagner is celebrating. Whenever you reach your goal, it's always a great idea to celebrate your success. Because then next time, it'll motivate you to want to achieve your goal again. So go ahead and write the word celebrate in the box on step 6. And I know that's a big word, so don't worry about spelling. Just do the best that you can. All right, good job, everybody. You all helped Wagner reach his goal. Wagner, did you enjoy learning how to catch a frisbee?
Oh, yeah. Now I get to play frisbee with my human all the time. It's so much fun. Would you ever want to play frisbee with me sometime?
Well, sure, Wagner. That sounds like a blast. All right, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that activity and that you can use it to help you to remember the steps to reaching your goal. Let's review. Step number 1 is you have to name what your goal is, because when you name it, it becomes real and it motivates you to reach it. Step number 2 is you have to picture it. You have to be able to see in your mind what your goal is so that it can help you to reach it. And then step number 3 is to say, I can. Whenever you say, I can, it helps you to believe that you can reach your goal because you're saying it and you're thinking it. Step number 4 is you have to think about how to do it, right? You have to see it in your mind. You have to play it out in your mind, whatever that goal is, to help you reach it. And then for step number 5, you have to go for it. Because you can think about what your goal is all day long, but if you don't actually go for it, then you'll never be able to find out if you can reach it. And then last but not least, step number 6 is very important. You have to celebrate your success. Because when you do that, it'll motivate you to reach your goals in the future. Alright, everybody. Again, I hope you enjoyed that class, and I already can't wait to see you all next time. Wagner, say bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.